Hey guys, on the painting table today I've got my custodes model. I'm going to show you guys how to pick out all those little red details. Let's get into it. Starting off, we're going to use Antares red from scale 75 or mephiston red from Games Workshop, doing 2 to 3 thin coats and making sure that you have a nice consistent layout before we wash it with Carroburg crimson. Once the Carroburg crimson is dried in all the recesses, we're going to come back in with Antares red or mephiston red from Games Workshop and mix in a little bit of sunz scarlet. What this is going to do is create our first highlight across all of our red parts. Our next highlight is going to be sunz scarlet, making sure we're picking out the ends of all of our red details as well as any areas that will catch the most light. Now, a highlight after that is where we can sort of take a little bit of creative license, because you can add a little bit of yellow to get a bit more of an orange for your final highlight, or you can add a little bit of a white to get more of a pink for your final highlight. Really, it's up to you. I'm going to go for an orange, so I'm going to add in a bit of Fire Dragon Bright or Troll Slayer orange just to get that final highlight towards the very tips of all of our red parts. And with that, all the red areas of our model are done. Hope you guys enjoyed, hope you guys were able to take something away from it. Make sure you check out the rest of my videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.